I was in the process of moving some items to a storage unit and I ran out of bubble wrap. So I came across this honeycomb wrapping paper, which is a alternative to traditional bubble wrap. It comes in a set. Now the set includes honeycomb paper, jute rope, which I happen to use all of, and 20 fragile stickers. Now the roll itself has various sizes you can order. This one happens to be 15 inches in width and it comes up to 500 feet in length, which makes it really convenient for any of your large moving projects. When the paper arrives, it's in a compact roll. As you pull it out and stretch it, you can see the three-dimensional honeycomb pattern. And these raised cells create a cushioning around any object and protect it from ordinary bumps or moving during packing and shipping. Another feature about this is that it's easy to cut. You don't need a scissor. You could just rip it right off and you could wrap your fragile item. The honeycomb design tends to catch itself, so you don't need excess tape to hold it together. Let me demonstrate for you. Let's wrap this fragile glass vase. We pull a length of paper, we tear it, we stretch it, and then we simply wrap our fragile item. You can stretch it more as you need, tuck in the ends. Actually see the cushioning that it provides. Another feature is that you can actually wrap gifts in it, such as candles, anything that's fragile that you want to make a nice presentation out of. Just put the jute roping around it and you have a nice present. You can see by the roll it's also more convenient than ordinary flat craft paper, and it requires less storage space than a large roll of bubble wrap. We're done wrapping this, throw a fragile sticker on it, and we're good to go. Just to note that extremely fragile or heavy items may require extra protection, so you may want to wrap it more than one time. Since it's paper, it's not waterproof. So if you're wrapping anything that might contain any liquid, you might want to empty it so it doesn't leak and destroy the paper and the protection that is afforded. Now overall, the kit with the jute rope, the fragile sticker, and the roll paper is easy to use, easy to store, and provides an alternative to traditional plastic bubble wrap. And that's why for me, it's definitely a gotta get.